Today we're opening this pack of Phantasmal Flames. I have my penny sleeves, my top loaders, and my Holo-Rails linked down in the pinned comment. These cards displayed to my family in case I hit anything good. Togedemaru, Palmy, Carcadet, Murkrow, Dawn, Wigglytuff, Eternatus, Carvana, Reverse Linoon, Empoleon EX! Oh my gosh, dude! I haven't pulled an EX in ages. That's awesome. And a basic energy. I want to keep it in beautiful mint condition. Let's get it up on the wall. Here are my Holo-Rails all ready to go. The Empoleon EX goes straight in there. Absolute W. Oh my gosh, that's so awesome.